Lao Tzu, also known as Lao Tzu, was a Chinese philosopher who lived around the 6th century BC. He is best known for his text the Tao Te Ching, which translates to the way and its power. This text outlines a philosophy of living in harmony with the natural world and striving for simplicity and balance. In this video, we will cover 3 concepts to living a simple, peaceful life. Strategy 1. The Tao. One of Lao Tzu's key ideas is the concept of the Tao, or the natural way of things. According to Lao Tzu, the Tao is an ultimate truth that cannot be fully understood or described, but can be experienced and embraced. He believed that living in accordance with the Tao was the key to living a simple, fulfilling life. The Tao is a central concept in the Tao Te Ching, and is often translated as the way or the path. According to Lao Tzu, living in accordance with the Tao means letting go of our ego and personal desires and instead following the natural flow of things. He believed that striving for material possessions and power only leads to suffering and imbalance. By living in harmony with the Tao, we can achieve balance and contentment in our lives. This can involve practicing mindfulness, such as paying attention to our breath, our surroundings, and our thoughts and feelings. It can also involve trying to accept what comes our way, rather than constantly striving for more. By living in harmony with the Tao, we can achieve balance and contentment in our lives. Strategy 2. Wu Wei. Lao Tzu also emphasized the importance of living in harmony with others. He believed that true harmony comes from understanding and accepting others, rather than trying to control or dominate them. This included treating them with kindness and respect, and by being open and accepting of their differences. This is reflected in the concept of Wu Wei, which suggests that the best way to achieve a goal is to let go and not struggle to reach it. Wu Wei is a key concept in the Tao Te Ching, and is often translated as non-action or effortless action. It suggests that the best way to achieve a goal is to let it unfold naturally, rather than trying to force it. Instead, we can choose to focus on what is truly important. It can also involve being present and open to new experiences. This principle suggests that by letting go of our ego and personal desires, we can find true harmony and balance in our lives. We can incorporate this principle in our own lives simply by being a good listener, being patient and understanding, and trying to see things from others' perspectives. It can also involve setting healthy boundaries and communicating effectively. Strategy 3. Living a simple life. In addition to these principles, Lao Tzu also stressed the importance of living a simple life. He believed that simplicity leads to clarity and focus, and that by simplifying our lives, we can find true contentment and happiness. He encouraged people to let go of unnecessary possessions and distractions, and to focus on what is truly important in life. This can involve decluttering our physical spaces, simplifying our schedules, and prioritizing activities that bring us joy and fulfillment. This can help us to feel more grounded and centered, and to be more productive and effective in our endeavors. Lao Tzu's principles for living a simple life include living in accordance with the Tao, letting go of ego and personal desires, living in harmony with others, and embracing simplicity. By following these principles, we can find balance, harmony, and happiness in our lives. Lao Tzu's principles can also promote our well-being by helping us to reduce stress and anxiety, and to cultivate a sense of calm and inner peace. This can lead to improved physical and mental health, and a greater sense of happiness and fulfillment. By following these principles, we can also grow as individuals and develop a greater understanding of ourselves and the world around us. This can lead to personal growth and self-discovery, and can help us to live more meaningful and fulfilling lives. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up button and share with others. To be in the now, subscribe and ring the notification bell to know when our new videos post. Join our conversation by commenting both here and under the community tab on our channel.